nervous. Now, go back over there and stop interfering. Bah, I can cope perfectly well on my... Oh!
Shiver me axles! There be chickens!
There were chickens here, chickens there, chickens running everywhere. And once again, Kevin hurried to help.
Don't worry, Cranky! All under control!
Kevin set to work. Soon he had rounded up all the chickens.
Well done, young Kevin. You're a credit to the crew.
But Cranky didn't think so.
I thought I told you to stay out of my way. Whizzing all over the docks, you're making me dizzy.
But...
No buts. Get back over there and stop sticking your hook in when it's not wanted.
Hello, Kevin. How are you enjoying your day at the docks?
not very well, Thomas. I don't think Cranky likes me.
He's not so bad when you get to know him.
Under all that gruff beats a heart of gold.
Uh-oh!
Then there was trouble. Kevin didn't know what to do.
Don't worry, boss. I've got it!
Kevin!
Crane overboard!
Help! Help!
I told him to stay put, but nobody listens to old Cranky.